Welcome to the Survey Protocol Field Input tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev Team. This tutorial will show you how to complete all of the survey question types in the field. To create a survey, open the Site window and navigate to the Log tab. Then click New. The Generate Protocol window will open. Using the Choose Protocol pull-down menu, select your predetermined survey. The new survey will appear in the protocol list. Highlight your survey and click Open or click twice on the survey to open the form for your data input.
Surveys are comprised of various types of questions and can have multiple pages. Survey questions can have child questions, which are denoted by a caret on the parent question. Questions can also have optional supplemental buttons on the right side for running reports, providing answer tips, or adding supporting comments. Within a survey, you can access protocol reports, view associated documents, and add site information. These options can be accessed by selecting the More Info button. The Report button opens a sidebar which shows all available reports associated with the site. The Additional Docs button displays important documents such as instructions or reference documents that may be pertinent to the survey. The Info button allows you to add the date, observers and recorders, and notes about the survey event.
There are multiple question types within a survey, including labels, true or false, yes or no, an exclusive list where only one answer can be selected from a list, a non-exclusive list where one or more answers can be selected, a hierarchical question where an answer is selected from a dichotomous key. Text can be input as the answer to a question. Multi-text questions allow for on-the-fly answer additions. Other question types include date and time, numerical input, numeric ranges, and GPS coordinates. Bar graphs are reactive in-survey visual aids that show answers from the previous questions in the form of a graph. Sums and averages are also reactive for numeric questions. These question types can be arranged in many different orders to fit the user's preference and protocols.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev Team at vgs.arizona.edu.